Good morning, students of class 6. This is your Shipra ma'am, and today we are going to study chapter 3rd in English grammar, that is nouns. We had already studied nouns and the kinds of nouns. We have studied nouns and we have also studied kinds of nouns. There are 4 kinds of nouns. First one is proper nouns, second one is common nouns, third is abstract nouns, and fourth one is collective nouns. And previous video we have studied in detail about proper noun and proper nouns and common nouns. But then also let me recall what you have studied. So what is proper noun, children? Proper nouns. Now first of all let us see the nouns. What are nouns? Nouns is nouns are the first. Nouns is the first part of speech. Okay, there are 8 parts of speech. So noun comes first, and nouns is the name of the person, animal, place or thing. Okay, noun is the naming word. It is the name of person, place, animal or thing. It also name a feeling or an idea. Okay, these all things comes in noun. So first part of noun is proper noun. The first types of noun is the proper nouns. Proper nouns are, you have studied earlier also in previous classes you have studied. It is too easy. So proper noun is a proper noun is a noun which names a particular person, place or thing. Alright. So the name of particular person, place or thing is proper nouns. Persons, name of persons, countries, cities, towns, villages. Okay, historical places, rivers, ships, streets, mountains, months of the year, days of the week, festivals, books and newspaper. This all comes in proper noun. किसी चीज को हम particularize करते हैं, किसी चीज को हम बता रहे हैं कि we are talking about some special thing. We are talking about something that the Taj Mahal. Okay, that is Taj Mahal is the proper noun. Okay, so a proper noun always begins with the capital letter. Proper noun जो होता है always begins with capital letter. This I have taught you in previous video. Second one is common nouns. The common noun, the name suggests that the common noun comes in the things which comes in general. Okay, the noun which comes in general is common noun. So a noun that gives a common name to person, places or thing. Common name of person, places and things. जिसका common में हम लोग बोलते हैं कि we use this in common. So that is common nouns. The work, the words, book, pen, river, mountain, train, these all things comes in proper noun. Common noun. जब हम book बोल रहे हैं तो we are not particularizing any book. We are not talking about any particular book. बुक जब बोला तो पूरे बुक के बारे में कलेक्शन है वहां पे, ठीक है, किसी भी बुक के बारे में है, तो दैट इज कॉमन नाउन, दैट इज कॉमन. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट माउंटेन, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट पर्टिकुलर माउंटेन, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी माउंटेन. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट जनरल. सो द कॉमन नाउन्स कम्स इन जनरल. नेक्स्ट इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. So today we will start from abstract noun. This was just a revision. Till now I have recalled you whatever we have studied. So today we will start abstract noun and collective noun. Alright? So abstract nouns. An abstract noun is the name of some state, quality, feeling or idea that we can only think of or feel but cannot touch or see. The abstract noun क्या होता है? Abstract noun is the name of some state. कोई state, we are happy, we are angry, this is a state. Okay. Quality, she is beautiful, she is intelligent, the boy is honest, this all comes in quality. Feeling, we are feeling good, we are feeling happy, this all comes in feeling. So when the noun names some state, quality, feeling or idea, that comes in abstract noun. Okay, an abstract noun we can only think of or feel but we cannot touch or see. Abstract noun को हम लोग टच और सी नहीं कर सकते. वी कांट सी और टच एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, बट जस्ट वी कैन फील इट आउट. ओके, लव इज फेल्ट. ओके, लव को हम लोग टच नहीं कर सकते हैं. वी कैन जस्ट फील अवर लव, फील लव. हेट्रेड, हेट्रेड को हम लोग टच कर सकते हैं? नो, वी कांट टच hatred. We can just feel that yes, he is hating me or she is hating me. Okay, words like heat, beauty, truth, love, anger, height are abstract noun. These all things comes in abstract noun. These all things we can feel but we cannot touch. Height को हम लोग touch कर सकते हैं? No, but we can say that the boy is growing, his height is growing. Okay, height उसका बढ़ रहा है. So heat को we can't touch. हम लोग हीट को टच कर सकते हैं? वी कान टच हीट. वी आर टचिंग हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट. हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट को हम लोग टच करें, पर हीट को हम लोग नहीं कर रहे. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. सो कलेक्टिव नाउन इज द नेम ऑफ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ पर्सन्स और थिंग्स टेकन टुगेदर एंड स्पोकन ऑफ अस एज अ होल. मीन्स कलेक्टिव नाउन शोज कलेक्शन. ओके, whenever there is collection, it shows it's we can feel that this is we can see that this is a collective noun. Okay, collection of person or things. collection of person or thing जहां भी हुआ तो हम लोग उसको collective noun में collective noun समझते हैं. Alright, so words like army, bunch, pack, feet are collective nouns. These all are collective nouns. Army is a collection of soldiers. Bunch is a collection of keys or grapes. Pack is a collection of dogs. And fleet is a collection of ships or cars. Okay, so these are all collective nouns for persons and things. Okay, next one is abstract and concrete nouns. Abstract and concrete nouns. We have learned abstract noun that we cannot feel it. Okay, we cannot feel or touch or see it. Sorry, we can see, feel it, but we cannot touch or see it. Abstract noun को हम लोग feel कर सकते हैं, but we cannot touch and see. So come, let us see. There is so much similarities and there are also dissimilarities between abstract and concrete nouns. कुछ similarities हैं and कुछ dissimilarities हैं. Let us differentiate between them. So abstract nouns का name, feeling, love or anger, qualities, bravery, honesty, state of mind, hope, trust और ideas, education, knowledge. तो क्वालिटीज क्या हुआ? ब्रेवरी और ऑनेस्टी क्वालिटी हुआ. स्टेट ऑफ माइंड क्या हुआ? होप हो गया, ट्रस्ट. दिस ऑल कम्स इन स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. आइडियाज, एजुकेशन, नॉलेज, दिस ऑल आर आइडियाज. ओके, सो दिस कम्स इन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. व्हाट दिस वर्ड सजेस्ट हैज नो फिजिकल फॉर्म दैट वी मे सी और टच. ऑलराइट, सो क्वालिटीज कैन बी seen, we can't see. Honesty can't see. Bravery can't be seen, but we just feel it out. Concrete nouns. Come to the concrete nouns. So concrete noun stands for something that we can see or touch. Okay, concrete nouns comes for something that we can see or touch, जिसे हम छू सकते हैं, जिसे हम टच कर सकते हैं. Something that has a physical form, जिसका physical form होता है. Okay, abstract noun का कोई physical form नहीं होता है, but concrete noun have some physical form. Something that has a position in space, उसका position space पे है. Okay, so that comes in concrete nouns. Concrete nouns usually refer to people. We can say that जो भी हुआ, अंकल हुआ, आर्किटेक्ट हुआ, आंटी हुई, जो भी पीपल है हमारे, that comes in concrete nouns, क्योंकि हम लोग उसको देख सकते हैं. Okay, and it occupies a place in space. Okay, it has a physical form. People, आदमी का तो, मनुष्य का तो physical form है ना, so it comes in concrete nouns. Animals also, any animals, kangaroo, lion, ant, dog, rat, anything, whatever. Okay, places, hospitals, markets, shops, malls, whatever it is, these all, whichever places are there, this comes in concrete nouns. And things, watch, things also comes in, जिसका physical form है, जिसको हम देख सकते हैं, जो ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा पोजीशन एक स्पेस में, हमारे स्पेस में, दिस ऑल कम्स इन concrete nouns. Words like glass, milk, blood, steam, names of substances are also concrete nouns. तो name of substances जो होते हैं, that वो भी हुआ, glass हुआ, milk हुआ, blood हुआ, steam हुआ, these all comes in concrete nouns. Okay, so most of the things are concrete nouns, but abstract nouns are the things which we can feel but we cannot see or touch. Okay, So this was the difference between these both. Now come to countable and uncountable nouns. Most common nouns are countable. Okay, most common nouns are countable. They have both singular and plural forms. Wall, walls, dog, dogs. So countable nouns, जो countable nouns है, जो हम लोग गिन सकते हैं, वो countable noun में आते हैं. तो those nouns which are countable, जितने भी nouns है जो countable है, they have both singular and plural form. उनका singular और plural form होता है. Okay. Other common nouns are uncountable. Other common nouns are uncountable. One is countable noun, other is uncountable noun. They have a singular but no plural form. और uncountable noun का singular form होता है, but it doesn't have plural form. Okay. So here, most common nouns, concrete. Most common nouns कौन होते हैं? Most common nouns are what? Concrete and countable. Okay. Common nouns जितने भी होते हैं, ज्यादातर most. Okay. Most में ज्यादातर क्या होते हैं? कंक्रीट. इट मतलब ये नहीं हुआ कि आप जितने भी कॉमन नाउन्स है वो कंक्रीट ही नाउन्स होंगे. इट इज नॉट मेंशन हियर दैट ऑल द कॉमन नाउन्स विल बी कंक्रीट नाउन्स, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द नाउन्स, कॉमन नाउन्स आर कंक्रीट एंड काउंटेबल नाउन्स. ट्री, बॉयज, कार. ओके, दीज आर कॉमन नाउन्स. कॉमन नाउन्स दैट नेम सब्सटेंसेस, कंक्रीट बट अनकाउंटेबल. सब्सटेंसेस कॉमन नाउन्स वो होते हैं, वो कॉमन नाउन्स जो नेम सब्सटेंस के नेम है. ओके, दैट इज कंक्रीट बट अनकाउंटेबल. वो कंक्रीट नाउन है बट दे आर अनकाउंटेबल. ओके, मिल्क, वाटर, सैंड, सॉल्ट, हेयर, these all are stars, uncountable. Okay, this thing you understand properly. Proper nouns, a proper nouns होते हैं, they are concrete but uncountable. Okay, so common nouns and proper nouns are concrete but uncountable. Okay, abstract nouns, most of them are uncountable. Abstract noun जो होते हैं, most of them are uncountable. Abstract noun को count हम लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं. Love, beauty, honesty, some of them are countable, like joy, joys. Okay, कुछ ही होते हैं जो कि काउंटेबल होते हैं, वेरी फ्यू. मेमोरी, मेमोरीज, मीटिंग, मीटिंग्स. ओके, नाउ कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. सो बिहेव, कलेक्टिव नाउन्स बिहेव लाइक कॉमन नाउन्स. कलेक्टिव नाउन जो होता है वो बिहेव करता है किस तरह से? वो बिहेव कॉमन नाउन की तरह करता है एंड आर मोस्टली काउंटेबल. कलेक्टिव नाउन आर ऑल्सो काउंटेबल. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन, आप ये समझ जाइए कि कॉमन नाउन्स जो होते हैं और कलेक्टिव नाउन्स है, बोथ स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सी. कॉमन नाउन्स और कलेक्टिव नाउन्स ये दोनों जो होते हैं वो आपका काउंटेबल्स होते हैं, मोस्टली काउंटेबल नाउन्स होते हैं. ओके, दिस यू कैन डिफ्रेंशिएट लाइक दैट ओनली. इस तरह आप लोग समझ सकते हैं कॉमन नाउन्स और कलेक्टिव नाउन्स दो बोथ स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सी, दे बोथ आर काउंटेबल. ओके, दे बोथ आर काउंटेबल. दिस वे यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. आर्मी, आर्मीज, टीम, टीम्स, bunch, bunches. Okay, this here the chapter last, children. Here the chapter last, children, and I will send you the PDF. I will send you PDF. So note the notes in your notebook. Okay, मैं PDF भेजूंगी and you have to note down the notes. These all things in your note copy. आपके पास जो भी कॉपी होगा उसमें आप इसको note down कर दोगे. Okay, if you have book, it is well and good. Go through your books. If you don't have, it doesn't matter. You can study from the notes. Okay, and in next video we will move to the exercises. Okay children, till then stay at home and be safe. Thank you.